For a deep dive into the weather features associated with Cyclone Alfred, Rob Sharpe reports.
On Wednesday night, Tropical Cyclone Alfred was approximately 300 kilometres off the coast as a Category 2 storm. A tropical cyclone warning was in place from Double Island Point down to almost Grafton, with potential for gale force winds within that region within the next 24-hour period. Some places, including Byron Bay and Yamba, have already seen damaging gusts above 90 kilometres per hour, but it's likely to increase with destructive gusts up to 155 kilometres per hour. But the question is exactly when will this system move onto the coastline? As you can see, some of the latest modelling doesn't make this system come over land until later on Friday or even on Saturday. This system may stall just off the coastline with damaging to destructive wind gusts for a sustained period of time, depending on exactly when this system makes landfall and how intense it is as it approaches the coastline. But at the moment, the prime risk zone is still from Yamba to Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast, where we could see those destructive wind gusts. Looking more broadly, anywhere in this yellow shaded area could see damaging winds or heavy to locally intense rainfall. Heavy rain is expected to ramp up through the day on Thursday, but as this system is now likely to make landfall a little bit later, the most intense rainfall with life-threatening flash flooding will probably be reserved for Friday and Saturday rather than Thursday, with considerable heavy rainfall expected. Flood watches still in place north of Port Macquarie and up to Maryborough, with all of these rivers likely to see significant river rises, but particularly the Wilson's River up around Lismore is the most likely river to see major riverine flooding, but it is a threat for many other areas. Finally, the other aspect is the waves. They have been pounding the coastline. We've seen maximum wave heights already reaching 15 metres with this system on Wednesday. We could see that kind of huge wave again through Thursday. Anywhere from Seal Rocks to Sandy Cape facing that severe weather warning. And on top of that, we've got the abnormally high tides, which have been exceeding half a metre above normal already. And there's potential they could be more than a metre above normal over the next couple of days.